The first one we're going to take a look at is just a clear screen protector with an anti-reflective coating. Well, let's go ahead and see what we get inside here. Inside of the box, you do have a helpful little installation tray, and this is just going to ensure that you install it properly the first time. You want to make sure that you do it the right way so you don't have to do it again. This is a one pack after all. And if you are a little bit confused, even after watching this video, just go ahead and check the installation guide. Clean your screen, line up the protective applicator, put the screen protector on top, press your finger around, and you're basically done. So it is just as simple as 1, 2, 3. Let's go ahead and check out this glass here. Nice quality glass. I do like the black outline as well. You can also see where the speaker is. They put a little design kind of mimicking those speaker grills. Nice little attention to detail. So of course, with any screen protector installation, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and clean your screen. Let's just go ahead and do that very quickly here. First, wipe it down with the wet wipe. Get all of those oils off, just like so. Next thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and get a microfiber cleaning cloth and wipe down your screen here. Now next, what you want to do is go ahead and put it in the tray, and you will notice that it says top. That's really the only thing you have to pay attention to. And now finally, once you put it in the tray, look for any little dust that you might have, and I actually do see a particle. Now the next step is just to go ahead and remove the glass screen protector and make sure not to touch the inside of the glass here. And of course, a piece of dust just happened to fall. Next, go ahead and align it. Let's go ahead and place this on the bottom first, and then on the top. You can just kind of rub your finger around where you see these bubbles. Now these bubbles should go away in about a day or two. Now if you do have any bubbles, try and massage them as much as possible, but they should go away in about a day or two. If I have any bubbles here, I will pause the video and come back once they are gone. But the best thing to do is just massage out the larger bubbles first if you can. Let's go ahead and do that. From an initial inspection, I can see that it's not as reflective as some other screen protectors out there. Of course, you can see that light there, but you really can't see the light on top of my ceiling there. Normally, this would catch that light very, very easily. So far, this is looking like a really nice screen protector. Installation, of course, is flawless. So I'm just going to wait a couple days and I'm going to come back. But so far, I'm definitely digging it. Very easy to install. That's what you can expect from Whitestone. It's just a very clear, high quality screen protector. And so far, this one is doing a very awesome job. But I will be back once those bubbles disappear. Here we are, guys. We're a couple days later, and you can see those bubbles that I had disappeared. Now, it took about 2.5 days or 3 days. Now, in terms of the actual screen protector quality, I think Whitestone Dome has a good product here. It's very easy to install. It's very clear. It gives you that barely there type of feel, and it does a decent job with fingerprints as well. Now, of course, you're still going to catch some fingerprints on the glass, depending on how oily your fingers are. But I think this Whitestone Dome does a decent job, and it also is pretty good with the anti-reflective coating. It's not as reflective as some other screen protectors out there. So the anti-reflective coating on this one is actually pretty decent. Now, of course, it's not going to block out all of those reflections. But as I shimmer it and move it in the lights, I do have a bunch of lights above me. You can see one right there. You can see one right there. But the anti-reflective coating, once again, does a good job of keeping those reflections to a minimum. If you're looking for a really good screen protector and you're checking out the Whitestone Dome product, definitely give this one a try. It's hitting all the boxes for me. The oleophobic coating could be a little bit better, but nothing that's too worrisome for me. And it's all about the screen. It's all about that 100% clarity when it comes to putting on a glass screen protector for your brand new device.